In this video, I want to show you how to sell an easy AI automation to small businesses. And no, this isn't SMMA where we're going to be charging high ticket. We're going to be charging lower ticket, so $97 to $497 a month. So that's why it's so perfect for beginners. Also, this business model is really sticky. Once you get someone signed on to your AI automation, it's going to be hard for them to cancel because they're going to be relying on your AI automation to run their business. So if your goal is to hit 10K a month, 20K a month, this AI automation business will help you do that. So this is the blueprint of everything we're going to be doing. We're going to first find small local businesses, and then we're going to connect their business with an AI automation. This AI automation will follow up with every single one of the business's leads. And because of that, we're going to be making the business a ton of money. So therefore, they're not going to have a problem paying us $97 to $497 a month. Now, the reason why this AI follow-up automation is so important for a business to have is because odds of connecting with a lead in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes drop by 100 times, and odds of qualifying a lead in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes drop 21 times. So speed to lead is everything. It's so important that when a lead comes into the business, that lead is followed up with within 5 minutes, because if they're not, there's going to be a good chance that that lead is lost forever, and clients cannot be relied on. Business owners are super busy. They're focused on running their business. They're out on job sites. They're not always going to be able to follow up with every single lead that are coming through their business. So that's where our AI automation comes in to help them. So first, I'm going to show you how to build this automation, and trust me, it's going to be super simple. And then I'm going to show you how to find leads to sell this service to, and this is going to be for completely free. You don't have to pay for these leads or anything like that. And then I'm going to show you exactly what to say to those leads so they buy your automation. So let's just jump right into it. So the way we're going to build out this automation is by using a simple software called GoHighLevel. And what's cool about this software is we can actually white label their platform and make their platform our own software. As you can see here, this is my logo right here, and this doesn't say GoHighLevel anywhere. So I pretty much have my own AI automation software. So once you guys are inside of GoHighLevel, all you want to do is come over here to the automation tab, and this is where we're going to build that automation. So now if we come over here and we click on create workflow, now you're going to get two options. You can either do this from scratch, or we can just choose a recipe, and a recipe is pretty much just a template. As you can see here, GoHighLevel has a ton of already built out templates that we can choose from, and these automations right here will automate a different part of your client's business. But the automation that we're looking for is called the Fast 5 automation. So this automation right here will make sure that your client's leads are getting followed up with within 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this. Let's just wait for this to load. So here we go. This is what the automation will look like, and this is already pretty much built out for us. So to trigger this automation, we're going to want it so whenever a lead interacts with the client's business, this automation starts. So right here for the trigger, I'm just going to look for the trigger called customer replied. And right here, we're just going to add a filter, and we're going to look for the filter called reply channel. And then right here, we're just going to choose the channel that we want. So let's say that a lead interacts with the business through an email. This automation will now trigger from that. And if you take a look right here, there's a ton of channels that we can automate. So if you want to, you can automate your client's Instagram, their Facebook, their Google My Business, their website live chat, their website chat widget, and so on. And if you want to, you can even add multiple filters. So this trigger right here is for the email, and we can go ahead and add another one. So right here, I'm just going to do reply channel. And now let's say we want to automate their SMS. Let's save this trigger. And like I said before, you can add as many as you want. So now pretty much whenever a lead interacts with our client, this automation will trigger, and what's going to happen first is they're going to be created as an opportunity. So that lead will just be updated in your client's pipeline, and they can see exactly where they are in their journey. The next thing that's going to happen is the lead will receive an email, and as you can see here, this template is already built out and ready to go. After they receive that email, they're going to receive an SMS, and the goal of this email and SMS is just to reach out to that lead as soon as possible so that the business doesn't lose the lead, because like I showed you before, if the lead reaches out to the business and it's been 5 minutes, there's a good chance that that lead is lost forever. So that's why it's so important that we have an auto SMS and email right here. And then what's going to happen is this automation is going to wait 2 minutes to see if that contact replied. Now, if the lead doesn't reply to this email and SMS, they're going to be taken down here. And what's going to happen is they're going to get a phone call. Now, if the lead doesn't answer the phone, they're going to be sent a voicemail right here, and you can record your voicemail and add it right here. You can say something like this: "Thank you for reaching out. How can we help? If you have any questions, let me know," or something like that. Now, if we come over here, if the lead does respond to this email and text, they're going to come down this path. And if they replied positively to your email and text, they're going to be sent this SMS right here. And this SMS is actually going to send them a calendar link where they can book an appointment with the business. So just like that, with an automation like this, your client can start booking appointments on autopilot. So like I said before, this automation will make your client a ton of money. So they're going to have no problem paying you a little bit of money each month to maintain this. Now, let's say that they don't respond positively. Your client will just get a notification letting them them no, and then your client can go from there. They can either reach out to the lead manually, or if the lead isn't interested, then that's that. Also over here, this is optional, but you can actually add to this. So after this voicemail, this is going to wait 1 day, and then if you want to, you can send a follow-up SMS or email or pretty much whatever you want, and you can pretty much follow up with this lead for as long as you want. So guys, this is the simple automation, and as you can see here, we just used one of GoHighLevel's templates. We didn't have to build this out manually ourselves, and this automation works extremely well to help clients nurture their leads and to get their leads to buy. Now, if you want to customize this automation, let's say that you want to customize this email and SMS and you don't know exactly what to say, well, we can actually use AI to help us with that as well. So if you just go to chatgpt.com, you can use AI to write out the content that you need. So right here, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write me an auto SMS and email when a lead interacts with my website chat widget on my plumber website. I'm just going to click enter, and just like that, ChatGPT is going to write that content for me. Here's my SMS and here's my email, and now all I have to do is copy this SMS and then go back, click right here, delete this, and then paste in our new SMS right here, and that's how you can start writing out the content for your automation. So guys, now that you have an automation built out and it's ready to go, you're ready to connect this with a business. I'm now going to show you how to find leads so you can sell this to small businesses. So if you just go to Google, you can actually find leads for completely free. All you want to do is search for the niche that you're looking for. So for this example, I'm searching for plumbers in Dallas, Texas. And now all you want to do is come over here to the Google My Business listings, click on more businesses, and just like that, you're going to see a ton of businesses that you can reach out to. And a lot of these businesses do not have an automation like that set up. For example, you can even test it out and message the business. You can send them a DM on social media. If they have a chat widget, you can interact with their chat widget. You can fill out their website form and so on. And you're going to notice that no one's going to respond to you. And it's going to be well over 5 minutes before they actually get back to you, if they even get back to you at all. Especially these businesses on the first page, they're getting a ton of leads. So you guys can just come in here and jot down these businesses on a spreadsheet. Now, if you don't want to do that manually, if you don't want to come through here, click on each one of these listings, write down their information. We can use a Chrome extension like this called Instant Data Scraper. And this Chrome extension will scrape all of these leads for us. I just click right here. As you can see here, in 2 seconds, it went ahead and scraped that page. It collected all of those leads for me. And now all I have to do is download this as a CSV, and I'm going to be good to go. I now have this list of leads. So this is a really useful tool because, like I said before, it's completely free, and this is going to save you a ton of time from doing this manually, from going in there, scraping all those leads one by one. Now, when reaching out to those leads, you can use a script like this, and this script is going to be for cold email. But if you want to cold call the business or send them a cold DM on Instagram, you can just come in here and tailor this script to that. But we're pretty much just going to be saying, hi, I'm contacting you because we're currently helping a lot of their business industry. So for this example, I'm going to be saying plumbers with their desired outcome, the new automated software system. So for this desired outcome, you just want to figure that out. You want to see what the business owner is lacking in, what they really need and what they really desire. So this can be, we're helping plumbers book 20 appointments this month or something like that. And then right here, I said, I would love for you to check it out. Pure value just to help. And then right here, it says reply yes with your best phone number if you can take on their desired outcome. So if they can take on 20 appointments this month. And then right here, just reply no if you want to get removed from the list. And then right here, I just went ahead and said sent from iPhone, just to make this seem more casual, as if I'm just on my phone sending them the message from there. Now, when selling your automation, you can do a free trial if you want to. You can have them test it out. And obviously with this automation, they're going to get a ton of customers. So they're not going to have a problem paying you after their free trial ends. Or you don't have to do that. You can just charge them right away. Another thing that you can do is just take profit share from each customer that they get through that automation. So let's say that your automation books an appointment with their lead and that lead ends up being a customer. Well, what you can do is just take a small percentage of that customer. That way the business owner literally has zero risk. You're only making money whenever they make money. So that's going to be a no-brainer. But like I said before, if you just want to charge right away, $97 to $500 a month, you can definitely do that. So guys, that's how you can sell this easy AI automation to small businesses. Now, if you guys want to sign up to GoHighLevel, you're completely brand new to this platform, I will have an exclusive 30-day free trial link down below. Also, if you guys are using GoHighLevel and you want premium GoHighLevel snapshots, go ahead and check out our Snapshot Vault down below as well. Inside of this vault, we have a ton of snapshots for a ton of different types of niches. So if you don't want to build websites, automations, funnels for your clients all manually, you can just use one of our snapshots. So go ahead and check out all of that down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.